Hello Steam friends, happy Tuesday. This week we are going to do some car races. Amos, what do you have in your hand?
A monster truck.
A monster truck. And we've got a whole box of cars over here. But I don't know which one is the fastest. And we're going to solve that problem by setting up a couple of ramps and doing a whole bunch of races to see if big cars are faster or small cars are faster, if tall ramps are faster or short ramps are faster. Willie, do you think the big cars are faster or the small cars?
Small. I'm thinking maybe big because sometimes big is heavier, and if heavy is like going down like something big and slanted, it can go pretty fast, but it also has to do with aerodynamic. It has to be super pointy too, so it has to be heavy and pointy. Those are the two most important things about going fast.
Okay, so Willie's hypothesis, or his guess, is that the heavy, pointy cars will go the fastest. And Amos, did I hear you say that your guess is that the small ones are going to go the fastest?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll test both of those.
Whoa! It's so close.
Amos, can you show us the cars that you chose?
This one, and 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 this one.
And Willie, could you show us the cars that you chose? The sushi truck. Very nice. What else have you got down here?
Sand rider.
Sand rider.
No, at least that's what I call it. Milk truck. What does that say? I can't read that. Hey. This is my race car, and then that's another.
To know which cars are the heaviest, we'll need a scale. Anything we set on the flat surface will show a number on the screen, and we'll know how heavy it is. A penny weighs 0.1 ounces. This little metal turtle weighs 2.8 ounces. How much does this one weigh, Willie?
This one weighs 1.3 ounces.
Okay. Next. Amos, could you park your brown truck on the scale? Maybe upside down if it wants to roll. Oh, perfect. 1.6. That's a heavy one. On your marks. Get set. Go. Whose car won that race?
Me.
Yeah. Even Amos's fell off, but even before that, the red car was much faster. Do you know which one is heavier?
Definitely that one. But mine won.
Amos's car was heavier, and yours was lighter, and the lighter car won.
Yeah, because mine went down faster, and I choose aerodynamic.
Maybe it's because it was aerodynamic. Let's try it again. Let's try some other cars this time. Choose a new car. On your marks. Get set. Go! Wow!
My one.
So whose car won that race?
Amos.
Amos? And was Amos's the heavy car or the light car?
Heavy.
That time, Amos's car was the heavy car. This time, Willie's car is heavier than Amos's car. We'll see what happens. Are you ready, boys?
Yeah.
On your marks. Get set. Go! We have a winner!
Yep, and mine did the pretty cool trick.
All right, Willie's car in this race is much heavier than Amos's. Willie's is 1.3 ounces and Amos's is 0.8 ounces. On your marks, get set, go! We just did 5 races, and in 4 races, the heavy car won. In 1 race, the lighter car won. So which are faster, heavy cars or light cars?
Heavy.
Heavy cars. It seems like, at least in our races, we're faster. The weight of a car isn't the only thing that makes it go faster or slower. This time we've changed our ramps. We're using two cars that are almost exactly the same. They're both yellow sushi trucks. Can you hold them up, boys? But our ramps are different. Amos has a short ramp, and Willie has a tall ramp.
Because I'm obviously taller than Amos.
Which one do you think will be faster? On your marks, get set, go! It looks like the tall one was the fast one. I like to try things more than one way before we decide which is really faster, the short ramp or the tall ramp. This time we're going to use two identical blue buses. Racers, are you ready?
Yeah!
On your marks, get set, go! Which one was faster? The tall ramp. The tall ramp is much steeper than the short ramp. As many times as we did this race, as long as the car stayed on the track the whole way, the steep, tall ramp was always the winner. Now we're going to have a little fun. Instead of a board, we're going to use a much longer ramp to support our track. This is a 30-foot tall ladder. We're going to need someplace very tall to put it once the track is attached. Are you guys excited about our mega ramp?
Uh-huh.
Should we take a look?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! All right, I'm going to go down to the bottom in the yard, and then I'll say on your marks, get set, go. On your marks, get set, go! On your marks, get set, go! On your marks, get set, go! I think what we learned from this experiment is that there is such thing as a ramp that's too tall, or at least too steep. We'll see you again next week, but we'll leave you with some totally awesome crashes. On your marks, get set, go! On your marks, get set, go! On your marks, get set, go!